Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's class is for the 12th, and the topic that we are going to discuss is acid rains. It is causes, effects. Let us discuss now the acid rain. Acid rain refers to precipitation in the form of dilute acid solutions. It is not a simple or a single phenomenon. Its formation involves a sequence of chemical reactions and it occurs in many different places globally. Acid rain is formed by the reaction of various industrial pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide with naturally occurring oxygen and water vapors, forming an acid solution. These acid solutions precipitate as rain or snow. Normally, rain water is slightly acidic with a pH of 5.7 owing to the presence of some parts of some carbon dioxide in the air. Acid rain typically has a pH of from 4.0 to 5.4. In some parts of the world, rainwater with a pH as low as 2.5 has been recorded. The acidity is about 1600 times that of the normal precipitation. Now, the causes. The major processes of the formation of acid rains are as follows. The sulfur dioxide is the primary cause of acid rain. It is mainly released from the burning of fossil fuels in power stations, heavy industries, and motor vehicles. In the atmosphere, sulfur dioxide reacts with the oxygen in the air. Within about 43 days, it will be converted into sulfur trioxide. During this period, sulfur trioxide can be transported from a considerable distance by the wind and then dissolved in rainwater to form a dilute solution of sulfuric acid. Apart from forming sulfuric acid H2SO4, sulfur dioxide can directly dissolve in rainwater to form a sulfurous acid H2SO3. Nitrogen oxides are another cause of acid rains. The burning of fossil fuels in motor vehicles and power stations are mainly responsible for the release of nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. Once the nitrogen monoxide is formed, it will combine with the atmospheric oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. Following a series of chemical reactions, nitrogen dioxide reacts with the water and oxygen to form a nitric acid HNO3. Now, what are the effects of acid rains? Acid rain is usually regarded as a regional problem rather than a global problem. It is because of the acidic components remain in the atmosphere only for a short period of time. However, acid rain is a serious problem in many places. The harmful effects are as follows. Acid rains cause damage to buildings, statues, and monuments. Marble and various metal are corroded by the acid rains. Acid rains cause human respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and asthma. Acid rains can damage the tree foliage directly and weaken the trees so that they become more susceptible to disease, insects, and drafts. Acid rains increase the acidity of soil. Soil has a natural capacity to neutralize some inputs of acids. This normal soil buffering capacity will uh, be depleted in presence of acid rains. When the soil pH below 4.5, most valuable nutrients are rapidly lost, and the bacterial activity will be greatly reduced. This affects the soil fertility and in turn affects the growth of forest trees and crops. Acid rains can induce a release of aluminum ions from the soil particles. Once released, the water soluble aluminum ions may reach a concentration that is poisonous to the plants. This can damage the roots of trees. Once the aluminum ions are washed into the water bodies, they also kill the aquatic organisms. Acid rains can acidify the lakes with an increased acidity, moderate toxic inorganic mercury compounds in lakes bottom sediments are converted into methyl mercury, which is highly toxic and can accumulate in the fatty tissues of animals. This compound can reach high concentration in the food and food chain and food webs. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching me.